Yeah, this is something you can start to lose. The NATO cheats on Florida over Russian buildup. The Mediterranean side, I see. Sinai. Where our allies are. They're building up a triangle square. It's just a fight to Islamic State. It's just a fight to moderate rebels. Just a fight to moderate rebels. Saturday, certainly are fighting Islamic State. That plane was brought down by a bomb yesterday. Was caused by Islamic State. They better beware. They better beware. They better start fighting the Islamic State. They better start fighting the Islamic State. That's for sure. But NATO chiefs always learn over Russian buildup in the region. Because we have allies there, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, places like that who are very close to their range. Like I said, it's just a show of force. It's just a show of force. It's just a show of force for the moderate rebels. Just a show of force. They're going to keep bombing the rebels no matter what we do or what we say. So I say we pull out of there and let them handle it. I say we pull out of there and let them handle it. I think it'd be easier if we just pull out of there and let them handle it. Since they're so entrenched in handling propping up Bashar Assad as a hero, some kind of heroic leader, instead of murdering Bashar that he is, we should just pull out of there and let them handle it. This is something they do. They can build up all that money. This country will not back down for Russia. Never has and never will. If they're looking for choice, it's up to them. It's up to them. All we're doing is pounding the Islamic State in Russia. We're not interfering with any of this injury. We're helping the rebels beat back the Islamic State and Bashar Assad's army, which is the way it should be. But NATO chiefs owns a large Russian buildup. Just for show. This is something new. Start. Thank you for watching.